Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Celestial Space Facts. In this channel, we focus on giving definite information regarding various topics related to space, astronomy, astrophysics, cosmology, celestial, and many more coming up. We really hope you are learning and gaining knowledge from this channel of ours. Today's topic of video is Bootes constellation. Bootes constellation is one of the largest constellations in the sky, located in northern celestial hemisphere. The constellation is dominated by the Kite, a diamond-shaped asteroid formed by its brightest star. The constellation name comes from the Greek word "bootes", which means ox rider, flowman, or herdsman. The correct pronunciation is booties, booties, with O pronounced separate and stressed on the second syllable. Booties was first catalogued by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy in 2nd century. The constellation is the home of contrasting double star Acer and Arcturus, the brightest star in the northern celestial hemisphere and the third individual brightest star in the sky, after Ceres in the Canis Major and Canopus in Carina constellation. Facts, location, and map. Bootes is the 13th largest constellation in the night sky, occupying an area of 907 square degrees. It is located in the third quadrant of northern hemisphere (NQ3) and can be seen at latitude between +90° and -50°. The neighboring constellations are Canes, Corona, Draco, Hercules, Serpens, Virgo, Ursa Major. The constellation name Bootes is pronounced in English. The constellation is known as herdsman. The genetic form of Bootes used in the star names is Bootes. The three-letter abbreviation adopted by IAU is BOO, B-O-O. Bootes belongs to Ursa Major family of constellation, along with Camelopardalis, Canes, Corona, Draco, Leo, Lynx, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor. Bootes has 5 stars with known planets and does not contain any Messier objects. The brightest star in the constellation is Arcturus Alpha Bootis, which is also third brightest star in the night sky. There are three meteor showers associated with the constellation: the January Boutids, the June Boutids, and Quadratids. Bootes contains 10 named stars. The star name approved by IAU are Alka, Arc, Arcturus, Izar, Marga, Mofrid, Necker, Zegius, Zonus. Bootes, Bootes is traditionally depicted as myth. The Bootes is typically depicted as herdsman with two hunting dogs on a leash and a club in his other hand. Bootes follows Ursa Major around the pole. In one story, the constellation represents a plowman driving the oxen in the Ursa Major constellation, followed by his two dogs, Astrin and Chara. The plowman's oxen are tied to the polar axis, and their movement keeps the sky in constant rotation. Most commonly, Bootes is taken to represent Arcas, the son of Caesar and Callisto, daughter of Arcadian king Lycaon. Arcas was brought up by his grandfather, the king, who one day decided to test Zeus by serving him his own son for the meal. Zeus, however, saw through Lycaon's intentions, transformed the cruel king into a wolf, struck down all his sons with thunderbolts, and brought Atlas back to the life. Zeus' wife Hera, having heard of her brother's disloyalty, transformed Callisto into a bear. Callisto roamed the woods until years later she met her son, who was now grown up. Arcas didn't recognize his mother, and began to chase her. Callisto hid himself in the temple where he could not hurt her without risking their convicted for sacred place. To avoid a tragedy, Zeus placed both of them in the sky, Callisto as Ursa Major and Arcas as Boots. In other story, Boots is taken to represent Icarus, a grape grower who once invited Dion to visit the vineyards. The god was so impressed that he gave Icarus the secret of making wine. Icarus followed the recipe and enjoyed the beverages so much that he invited all his friends to try it. However, they had never tried wine before, and when they woke up the next day, not feeling well, they assured Icarus had tried to poison them. Angry, they did away with him while he slept. Dion was saddened by passing of his friend and decided to place Icarus among the stars. In another myth, Bootes is credited for inventing the plough, which promoted the goddess Ceres to place in the heavens. Now comes the boot stars. Arcturus Alpha Bootes is the third brightest star in the sky and the brightest star in the northern hemisphere. It has apparent magnitude of minus 4.04. It is often listed as the fourth brightest star behind Alpha Centauri because the latter is binary star with combined magnitude of 0.27. Arcturus, however, is the third individual brightest star in the night sky, followed by Regal Centaurus, Alpha Centauri A, the brightest star in Centaurus and the fourth individual brightest star in the sky. The name Arcturus means guardian of bear in ancient Greek. The star is located at the left foot of herdsman, the one standing next to the bear constellation, Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. Alpha Bootis is the type K1.5 3P orange giant, one with the unusual spectrum of light and full of emission lines, approximately 36.7 light year distance. The star has a luminosity at least 110 times that of Sun and a very high proper motion. It moves 122 km relative to the solar system. It will arrive at the point nearest to the Sun in approximately 4,000 years. Then is beta, gamma, epsilon, eta, Bootes, then is mu, then is merga, then is psi, then is tau, then the deep sky objects is void, also known as great void or super void, is a sphere space shaped region of sky almost 250 million years ago in the diameter. Then come the Bootstrap galaxy. Bootstrap galaxy is a dwarf galaxy located 197,000 light years from the Sun. It is one of the faintest galaxies. Then comes the NGC 5466, the globular cluster approximately 51800 light years away from the Earth. The cluster was first discovered by German-born bright astronomer William Herschel in 1784. It lies about 52800 light years from the galactic center. The cluster is notable because it contains a blue horizontal branch of stars and is metal poor as regular global cluster. I hope this video is interesting and beneficial also. And last but not the least, we have compiled this video on the basis of our knowledge we get after studying and analyzing various stuffs regarding the topic. We really hope you receive knowledge. In the end, last but not the least, please support and do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our Celestial Space Facts. We will be posting more and more in the near future. Love, love. Have a nice day. Please be safe and be kind. Thank you, thank you, thank you.